How to fix Microsoft Copilot not working. If Microsoft Copilot isn't working, I'm focusing this tutorial on mobile, but you can try to follow the similar steps on your Windows as well. The first thing to check is the internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If not, if you're using the app on Android, long press the Copilot app, tap this I button to come to the app info page. Now when you're here, just go to storage, clear the cache files and also make sure to clear the data of the application. If you're on iPhone, just try to offload the app. Now go to your Play Store or your App Store and simply search for the Copilot app. Check if it has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. This way you can fix if Microsoft Copilot is not working. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.